Hello everyone, this is Rick, and here we have a quick fix. We've got a broken table support footing, and as you can see, this support knob has come off, and there's no way to fix this but to put it back and secure it properly, okay? So here we go. What we're going to do is put the adhesive on this side here, and put a good amount in there. And what we'll do is we'll insert the knob back in there, the holder, and we'll just put a little bit more on the top here. Now, you don't use the accelerator first because it'll hold too fast. So now we're going to lock that in there. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so you have to bear with me. So there you go. What we're going to do is we're going to cover that up a little more. Make sure it goes all the way in. We're going to cover that up a little more so it gives it that added strength. You can build this up, you see. That's the beauty of Instantbond. Okay, this is a quick fix. As you can see, it's an instant fix. There's nothing else you can do this with. Okay, this is, look at that, it's already hard, ready to go. And I'm going to build it up even a little bit more to cover that up. Okay, you can build it up as much as you want. Okay, spray it on. Give that about 5 seconds. You can watch it get hard there, you see? It's hard already. And this is ready to go back into action. Okay, there's nothing else you can do this with. Okay, this is going back on the chair, and away we go. Okay, again, this is Rick for Instantbond. Till next time.